Hi, my name is Maria. I'm designing today some holiday pots. The spruce sticks is the first thing in all pots, okay? We can cut little bit these little branches in here for can go nice, and we can cut little bit an angle like this. There we go. And you can put that one in the center like this. And always the first one is the tall one, and then the medium high and lower, okay? You can cut all of them like this, little bit an angle, for keep more nice and fresh and green, okay? And then you can put the first one, and you can open little bit like this. Sometimes we use just 4 or 5. You don't need to use too many. You see it already looks beautiful, but we can add red pine. The red pine is a nice green and looks beautiful in those pots. And you can stick those and angle like this for hanging beautiful. And that one looks so beautiful in here. And you can add the incense cedar too, like this, to hanging. And we can use some pine cones, the sugar pine cones. We have the juniper. The berries look so beautiful in here too. And we have some eucalyptus. That one is a beautiful. And we can use some magnolia leaf. That one is nice. This is the birch. That one looks so nice in here and can give you more tall. And the pine cones, you can stick the pine cones. You can tie the pine cones with little wire for don't fall up. Like this. And the magnolia leaf too. You can put the magnolia like this. That one looks very simple, but a very natural, looks so beautiful. But if you want to use more greens, you can add many you can. You can cut in little pieces. Just put like this. Like that. I made one at least for you has kind of ideas, but you can use different greens. But the principal thing is kind of you can use the spruce sticks and the red pine. Yeah. We have another beautiful green over here. That one. We have some cherries too, red cherries. Yeah, we can use the curly willow in the middle. Looks so beautiful too. Another option, if you want more color, more traditional, you can add more kind of red eucalyptus. That one has more color and it's beautiful too. You can use the tall ones in the middle and you can use the short ones on the bottom, okay? You see how beautiful it looks like? It's more colorful.